Enersul has a sulfur forming process to suit every producer's needs. For a medium to high capacity process for a low capital investment, Enersul WetPrill sulfur forming process is the best in its class. The capacity of a single WetPrill unit, 1,000 metric tons per day of high quality product. Higher production rates can be achieved with additional process lines. WetPrill has been a staple of the Canadian sulfur forming industry since 1978, and the process has been continuously refined through years of operational development in Enersul's own Canadian operations. WetPrill's compact design consists of perforated trays, a water-filled tank, and vibrating dewatering screens that combine to produce pellets, or prills, from molten sulfur. In the WetPrill process, molten sulfur is pumped to perforated trays that drain narrow streams of molten sulfur into an agitated water bath. Prills form as the sulfur contacts the water. The carefully controlled agitation maintains the prills in suspension long enough for them to harden. The underflow of prills and water from the prill tank is divided between two high-frequency dewatering screens. Because of the hydrophobic nature of sulfur and the smooth prill surface, water is shed rapidly. Additional water is removed through evaporation. Prills are discharged from the dewatering screens to a conveyor that moves the product to storage or transport. The WetPrill process produces spherical, uniformly sized prills with moisture content of less than 2%. Water used in the WetPrill process is recycled, and air emissions are limited to water vapor, making it unnecessary to treat plant emissions. This minimizes environmental impact and reduces production costs. The design simplicity of a WetPrill plant also helps keep production costs low, reducing labor and maintenance requirements. Safety is a primary consideration in the design and operation of the WetPrill process. Years of hands-on operating experience have ensured that all areas of concern have been identified and addressed. Enersul has designed and installed sulfur forming and handling facilities in Canada and around the world. Its success has been driven by a commitment to innovation and customer service. As part of its complete service package, Enersul carries out feasibility studies, engineering, procurement, fabrication, construction, and turnkey projects. Enersul knows that its continued success depends on an unwavering commitment to customer service, quality, value, professional integrity, environmental responsibility, safety, and innovation. This commitment, backed by an international reputation for excellence built over more than 45 years, is our customers' guarantee that we will continue to meet and exceed their expectations. Whatever stage of the elemental sulfur industry you're involved in, wherever your sulfur interests are located in the world, Enersul has the experience and expertise to provide you with the right solution.